name in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your account name in Wrike. To do this is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Wrike account. Once you're logged in, go to the left side of the screen, click on your profile icon. In the box displayed, you'll see options like settings, workspace appearance, etc. Ensure you click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will be brought to the settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see personal settings and account management. Under the account management tab, scroll down to the last part and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you can now see account name. Give your account a name to make it clear which organization each piece of information belongs to. Then you can just go ahead and name your team this way. For me, this is the current account name I'm using. So if I want to edit this, I'll just um type out the next thing I want or change it entirely. Then click on save changes, and just like that, the account name would be changed. Very, very simple. Yeah, simple. Ensure you try this out, alright? Thanks for watching.